First of all, I would like to say good morning teacher and good morning everyone. I'm Vat Bormi and I'm 16 years old. I study English in level elementary with teacher Kung Dan at Asia Euro organization. Today I'm so glad to do presentation and my topic is about my friend's birthday party. Last weekend it was my friend's birthday. His name is Kyo Chandra. It was on the 15th of May 2022 and it was his 16th birthday. It was celebrated at his house in Phnom Penh City. There were a lot of people joined his birthday party such as his parents, his siblings, his other relatives and some friends. There were a lot of food and drinks such as rice, chicken, steak, fish, vegetables, chip, biscuit, tomato sauce, oyster, lobster, shrimp, octopus, Coca-Cola, beer and wine. We could eat and drink delicious food and drinks together. We could sing and dance together with the great music, especially karaoke. My friend could get a lot of gifts from his family, guests and friends. It was a great birthday party and I really liked it. That's all about my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Srayoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.